Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make your presentation portrait instead of landscape in PowerPoint. Let's get into the method. Open PowerPoint and head to the Design tab at the top. On here, select the option called Slide Size, which is on the right side. From the drop-down menu, click on Custom Slide Size, and then in the new window you can first choose the exact dimensions of the slides by clicking on the current option in the Slides Sized For box. For example, you could choose widescreen or a completely custom size. Now you can set the page orientation for the slides to portrait, and also change this for handouts as well if you need to. Click on OK and then choose how you want your items to be scaled. You might want to try both to see which works best, and now the slides should be set to portrait mode for you to edit. That's how to make your presentation portrait instead of landscape in PowerPoint. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.